fishes and all, there is a single circulation wherein the heart is only two chambered. But over here, this is double circulation. Corpus callosum, there is a longitudinal band of nerves, okay, just below the two hemispheres of the brain, which is known to connect both the hemispheres together at a point. Hello students, let us continue with the general characteristics of class Mammalia. We had completed up till the digestive system. Excretory system. The kidneys in case of mammals are said to be metanephric kidneys, which are the most advanced kidneys. The mammals are said to be ureotelic. Urea is their nitrogenous waste, okay, which is excreted through urine. Respiratory system. The respiration is pulmonary through lungs. And diaphragm is present. Diaphragm is a feature that is present only in the mammals. It was not present in any of the earlier classes that you have learned. Next, circulatory system. The mammals are known to have a four-chambered heart, two auricles, two ventricles. There is a clear partition of the heart in the center, wherein one side only takes care of deoxygenated blood and one side only pumps oxygenated blood. The oxygenated blood is carried to the lungs for oxygenation. The oxygenated blood is then carried by the aorta to different places. This is the right side, by the way, and this is the left side. So the arch that is produced, if you can see, it's towards the left side. So this is called as the left systemic arch or the left aortic arch. The aortic arch, which is also called as the systemic arch, is left-sided. Okay, in case of the birds, it was a right-sided arch. In case of mammals, it is left-sided arch. And since there is circulation of deoxygenated as well as oxygenated blood in the same heart, that's called double circulation. In fishes and all, there is a single circulation wherein the heart is only two chambered. But over here, this is double circulation. Next one, nervous system. We have 12 pairs of cranial nerves. In the brain, there are two things about the brain of the mammals that you must know. One is corpus callosum. There is a longitudinal band of nerves, okay, just below the two hemispheres of the brain, which is known to connect both the hemispheres together at a point. This band of longitudinal nerves is called as corpus callosum. Its function is to connect both brain hemispheres. It is an exclusive mammalian feature. Corpus callosum. Corpora quadrigemina. Corpora quadrigemina, the four optic lobes. Four optic lobes are present in the brain. This is also a special feature which is very unique to the class Mammalia. The sense organs are highly developed. Middle ear has 3 ossicles. All the other classes that you learned so far had only one ossicle in the middle ear. That was the columella, also called the stapes. In case of the mammals, they have 3 ossicles: incus, malleus and stapes. Next, the reproductive system. Mammals are mostly viviparous. They give birth to young ones. Exception for some mammals called as the prototherians, which are egg-laying mammals. They lay eggs. Okay, an example is duck-billed platypus, an example of a mammal that lays eggs. Parental care in case of mammals is highly developed. They are endothermic, that is homeotherms. The RBCs are said to be enucleated. They can be oval or circular. In humans they are circular, right? Biconcave and enucleated. And they show external genitalia. Showing external genitalia is also a feature unique to the class Mammalia. So with that we complete the general characteristics of class Mammalia. In the next lecture we will do the classification of mammals. In the name of Lord Mahadev, please subscribe.